Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be on a few different things. The start of today's video is the Fiesta. You know where we left off with it? It's all panelled up, it's all prepped, ready for paint. We're going to get this out of the workshop, get it on the back of my truck and get it dropped over to JW Smart Services and have the bit of paint work done. Let's get on, get this loaded on the truck. So it's going to be a little bit of a suspense video today because I'll tell you the truth, I don't know how it's going. I know we go raw anyway, and to be honest, when I come in the yard in the mornings, we have half an idea of where we're going for the day, what we're doing and what we are focusing on. But I come in this morning and went to Chris, right, this needs doing, that, it all needs doing. So I'm just going to crack on and get that done. And he said, yeah, fantastic, sounds like a plan. So I don't know what's going to be next, but I've got an idea of one or two different bits. So let's go and get this little Fiesta dropped off, straight back to the yard. We're going to be loading Tank House on and dropping that off. Let's get on. On the agenda, I was meant to drop this off Friday, but I was just so busy. He said drop it up first thing Monday morning or Saturday afternoon. I've removed all those grills out of that bumper. He's going to be painting that back bumper and then doing some flatting and polishing and trying to correct some of the imperfections in the paint. So let's get this one loaded and get this one dropped at the paint shop because I've got everything for this car now. I've been using it. Let's just actually, I don't think I've shown it on camera on the previous videos, but let's just start it up. As you can see, sorry, they always flash on camera. All of the lights have gone out now. When I put my seatbelt on, that goes out, and the handbrake. The only thing we have got is the mileage is flashing, and quite a lot of you actually in all of my videos, because I've done so many of the Fiats, have said to me, Rob, my mileage is flashing, what is the problem? Well, that's proxy alignment. Where the airbags had gone off, everything's out of sync. It's very, very straightforward for my friend to do this, and he's done all of them for me. But on my little computer, I cannot do it. Anyway, I'm going on again. Let's get this loaded on the back of the truck and get this one back up and get the paint corrected on it. That's that one dropped off. Let's go and get the next one. So next on the agenda, we are going to quickly bring it inside. It is so lovely and warm out there today, but I've got jogging bottoms on and it is boiling hot. We're going to bring the Clio in. We're going to base up the inside edge of the wing, take the front bumper off, remove all the grills from the bumper. If I get time, I'm going to try and flat some of it off, but it's probably going to have to go like that. But basically, I want to get this one prepped as well because it's booked in tomorrow, and I'm going to actually put it on the back of the truck and go and deliver it now. So that'll be another one gone, and next week, hopefully, there'll be the final video on it. bumper for the Clio is completely stripped, and you would have seen there on that bit of time lapse, I was really struggling. There was so much to come out. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces just to come out that bumper, and yet it looked like it was a couple of grills. I've taken the wing back off. That's all based up now through the edges, just like factory. I need to get that bolted back on the car, just prop the bumper back on there, because they're going to be pulling it off to paint it, and that bottom rubber is riveted on, so we'll be getting them to mask that up. So that is it, another one ready to go to the paint shop. I'm going to get this wing back on, get the bumper hooked on there, and go and drop it off. Just quickly, I do like to keep mentioning little bits throughout the videos now for commonly asked questions, and nearly in every video someone always reaches out to me and says, Rob, where did you get them number plates? I remember you saying that you get them off eBay, but we can't remember where they are. Guys, these are 100% road legal, and it says the name of the company and their postcode there and their reference number. So I will put a link for those today in the description of the video. Get a bit of everything in it in today's video. Really, really random this is, but I'm enjoying doing it, and hopefully you guys enjoy it as well. And if you do, please do give us a thumbs up. You know how much it means to us. We really appreciate it. Chris is just bringing it out, going to get it strapped on, and you've probably seen today I've been to 2 different paint shops, and this one's actually going to a 3rd different paint shop, so it's all mixed match, but I'm sure it'll make fantastic content. I'm sure he is on his way out. Yeah, I can hear him now. Try not to run my phone over. Everyone will see you do it. I've got these blue lines on the truck wires, and Chris knows, obviously, always keep it on them blue lines, and every time it drives up the truck perfect. That's lovely, mate. Thank you. So we had the safest driver on the firm there, loading it up. Sorry, mate. Keys in it. I'll see you when I get back. I'll probably time-lapse this one as well, guys. We're taking it to Sheppey. We went over the old bridge earlier, so let's time-lapse it and actually go over the new big bridge this time. Got the Renault Clio off at the other paint shop, and while I was here, I just thought I'd give you a quick update because I see them sitting in the background. We've got the rear doors there for the LSE and the front door all primered up, ready to go. And also, up here, we got the scuttle panel, that's all completely done as well and ready to paint. And then on top of a car up here, we got the front wing. So I know I keep mentioning that these bits are in primer and ready to go. So that's a little bit in the video there to show you that they are ready. Guys, it is hot today. I've just had a phone call from JW Smarts. I've dropped that Clio off and they've rung me straight up Smarts and said, Rob, we need a battery on the Fiesta. I took it over there on the jump pack. So I've just quickly stopped at Sheppey Salvage. I've got a battery for that Fiesta to chuck on it. We got a new Vartar there because the battery on Chris's van, where he don't use it a lot, it does keep going flat. And there's a spare there because it's always handy to have a spare. It's only a line, but it is a big one. 3 of them, £60, which is the price probably of one battery. So there you go. At the paint shop, the yard's nice and clear. We've got a new battery for Chris's van. We've got a battery on the Fiesta. I just went and done that. And as you remember, the Z4, quite a lot of you said, how much is it? Have you sold it yet? And do you know what? It's laziness. We've been so busy and it's a right nightmare to do that bulb. So we've just been putting it off and haven't got round to it. Chris has stripped it all out while I've been gone. We got the light in there. I'm going to crack on now and get this done. And that will be probably all we're going to get in today's video. I know it's probably only been about 10 minutes for you, but it has literally took me all day running around, but I've got a lot done. I really have got a lot done today. What do you think of that video? Do you want to see me do another one like that again? I actually have just watched this back and I think it's really, really interesting, and it does kind of show you an inside of what we get up to and the running around that we have to do. It just turned out like that the paint shops only wanted them vehicles on that certain day, and it just happened to be today. So it's been absolutely manic. The grey Fiat 500, I've just spoke to him. He said that he's not going to even bother trying to polish up the passenger side. He is flattening the whole thing off. He's going to repaint it. He's repainting the back bumper, and he's going to blend it back into the other quarter panel, which is good because there was a couple of imperfections in that quarter panel, and he said that I can have that back later this week. So there's going to be the end of that video and a number crunch on it, and I'm going to get it up for sale and get it gone. The little Clio, he said he'll get straight on that this week, so hopefully we'll have that as well. Going to be a number crunch, and we still haven't decided what we're going to do with that. And then the Fiesta, can't really wait to get that one back. Such a lovely, lovely little car, and I'd like to get a few miles on it. I am off on a couple of day weekend holiday soon, and I'd really like to take that car and give it a good couple of 100-mile trip. Sort of get like 400 or 500 miles on it before we let it go. So that's the plan. If you want to see me do another video like this, by all means, I sure will do it. And it maybe go around and pick them all back up and do the same sort of videos. I know I said that we was going to go over the new bridge to go and drop off that second car, which was the third one, which was the Clio. And believe me, I set the tripod up and I know I clicked go on the time lapse, and when I got to the other end I clicked go, but really I was just turning it on, so I completely missed that. I do apologise. If you do enjoy it, please do give us a thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. Follow us on Instagram, Salvage Rebuilds, for the little sneak peeks. Like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you very, very soon in the next one.